Quite often you'll hear the terms, the words, liability and negligence. What do they mean? How does that factor into my claim or lawsuit? Legal liability basically means, does the driver that caused, or the drivers that caused this accident that hurt you, are they legally responsible to you to compensate you fairly for the injuries or other damages you've sustained? Now that's negligence law. Negligence has multiple components: duty, breach, causation, and damages. Let's go through all of them. Duty means, does or did the driver or drivers have a legal duty to you? Well, yeah. If, for example, you were stopped at a red light and somebody hit you in the rear, that driver had a legal duty to stop and not hit you. It sounds to be common sense, and sometimes the law makes sense, sometimes it doesn't, but that's duty. Breach of the duty is they didn't stop. They had a duty to stop, but they didn't stop. Maybe they were texting or looking away from the road, but that's breach. So it's duty, breach, and causation. Causation basically means, did their breach of their duty result in this accident? Again, it makes common sense. It should sound like it does, but we have to prove that it did. Duty, breach, causation. They breached their duty to you, they caused the accident. Damages. We then have to prove, that's the fourth component, that the injuries that you've sustained, that the other damages that you've sustained, either to your car or lost wages, all flowed from the duty that they had, which they breached, which caused the accident, which then resulted in injuries and other damages to you. That's injury and accident law, that's negligence law, that's everything that factors into whether or not we will have a successful claim on your behalf or not.